Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have this season's FabFitFun for fall 2018. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. I'm coming to you a little more casual than normally. The thought of actually setting up the camera and the ring light just felt a little overwhelming, so you're gonna have to bear with me with this kind of vlog style unboxing. First off, if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription box that is $49.99 a season. And it's amazing. It has full-size stuff. It's not just beauty, it's a lifestyle, fitness, a home decor. It's incredible. If you want any more information, I'll leave the link down below. And if you use my code, you can get $10 off your first box, making it $39.99. Such a steal. Most of the time it retails for way over $200, you guys, so it's so worth it. So my box comes in this box because of course I had add-ons, and you're like, what's an add-on? Things that you can add on to your box. Now that's really cool. FabFitFun gives you this opportunity to add some amazing stuff at a discounted price. If you're a select member like me, which means that you pay for your subscription annually, you get priority on your add-ons and on customizing your box, which we'll talk about in a little bit. So, ooh, there's a bug in here. Pincher bug. Check out all this fluff. I love that there's flammables in here. First of all, how cute is this season box? So cute, right? Now, first of all, it feels all kinds of hot here in Southern California still, so it doesn't quite feel like fall, but this is getting me into the fall season for sure. So first of all, add-ons. Now, I don't get a price breakdown of the add-ons, but they're like severely discounted, so it's a great time to pick up some stuff or to try some new stuff. So one of the things that I'm trying and I have not tried yet is the Kate Somerville SPF 50 Uncomplicated SPF Soft Focus Makeup Setting Spray. And I just think these things are genius. One, because I do apply sunblock every day, but for my job I'm out in the sun a lot, so I just think having something that can spray on as a reapplication over makeup is super cool. Because it's the end of the day. It's been a long first week of work, and so yeah, I'm a little tired, so bear with me. And next up, I forgot that I ordered this. It's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This stuff is so good, you guys, and it was such a good price. I wish I could tell you, but oh, it smells good. It is so good. It's one of my favorite deep masks ever, so I'm excited about that. And the fact that I forgot about it, that's even like better. It's like extra surprises, right? And then I got the Beauty Blender Blotterazzi cushion blotters. I get crazy sweating during the workday, and just thought this would be good for my purse or my work bag, just to touch up on days before I have meetings and stuff like that. So I've heard like mixed reviews on it, but it was such a good price, I thought I could try it for myself. And then lastly, you guys, this is giving me all the feels. I got the Glam Glow Glitter Mask Gravity Mud Firming Mask. That's the peel off one. And it's glitter. I like this mask in general. I have, I think, the Power Ranger one. That's gold. But let's just open it. Because why not? And you get a, ooh, that's kind of nice. You get a sample of the Glam Glow, just regular Gravity Mud, which is the silver color. You guys, we have to look at this. We have to, right? You guys are like, get on with the box. Oh, so fun. I'm just gonna see if you can kind of get that. Like, how awesome. How fun is that gonna be on your face? Oh, it smells like to die for. I'm excited for that. And it comes with a little applicator brush. Like, how cute. I've actually never gotten a full size. Oh, I guess I have. I was gonna say, I don't think I've ever gotten a brush with any of them. I don't know. Okay, so let's get on to the real deal. The big kahuna, the FabFitFun box. Like, how cute is this? They probably have different color boxes. I love the orange. Pumpkin spice lattes, which I freaking hate. I don't like pumpkin. But bags, little girl riding the bike, just so cute. Always just such a cute bag to get you into the season. Let's see. My knife. Okay, so let's open this puppy up. Okay, so they always give you this cute little magazine. It's really helpful to hold on to because it'll also tell you how to use things or style things if there's fashion stuff. So it's really cute, and I love to kind of go through it. It also gives you kind of the retail value of everything. So the total value of this box can range between $285.97 and $375.94, depending on what items you get in your bag. Your box. So basically, just a quick rundown is that there are items that you can get this or that. There are items that you get to choose, and if you're a select member, you have more options to customize your box. And there are some things that all members get to customize. So I love being an annual subscriber to this box because I do get to really customize it to things that I really would want and use. Not that any of these things are bad, but like there's some things that I prefer over other things. Or like this month, I'll kind of tell you my reasonings behind why I chose one thing over the other. So I just love that aspect, and it just even makes it more exciting because I know that I need or want or can use all of the things in here. Okay, so the first thing up, which is like a bonus item, is the Luna Rica Cashew Butterfilled Fruit and Nut Bar. And this is just a little sponsored item that they put in. So yeah, every once in a while they'll have just a few, like a sample of something. And that's always just like a fun little bonus. And to me, if it's a snack, even better. Okay. First up, I'm seeing these are so fun. It's the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask, Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. So these are cool. Everybody got these. The retail value is $18. Now, I love Glam Glow. Obviously, I bought the add-on, but I've never tried their sheet mask, so that's kind of fun. I'm excited. Try to see if they're two-pack, $18. Okay. Did I say 18 or $8? $18 value. I might have said 8. Anyway, this is an $18 retail value. $9 each. Next up, the Cobra Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds. I'm really, really excited about this. I've actually needed a new pair of wireless. That's not something that I really care to like spend a huge amount on. So this was really exciting. Now, this was something that you could choose. So that everyone, I'm just making sure everyone got to choose. You could choose between the wireless earbuds in white or black, or a umbrella that's either red floral or black and white floral. So I chose the white and the earphones obviously, so I will get great use out of these. I use my wireless ones at work, so these are going to be perfect for the gym. I really did need another pair. And sorry, this retails for $40. If you got the umbrella, it retails for $39.99. Okay, this is something that everyone got in their box. It's the Blue and Capri Shower Gel by Skin & Co. Roma. It smells good. It's Alpine Rose, Sage, Wild Basil, and Autumn Blossom. It definitely has like an earthy smell, which I really like. It's inspired by the Lemon Farmers in Capri, and this retails for $22. So you can use this as a shower gel or a bubble bath. So awesome, always, because you have an extra shower gel. Next up, oh, these are so cute, and these match my kitchen. It's the Simply Whimsical tea towels. They're 2 gray tea towels with this pattern, and they retail for $14.99. I go through towels like crazy. These are a great kind of neutral color. I think they actually match my kitchen, which is like a pink and a gray. So yeah, excited. So useful. I love that things are so useful in this box. Oh yeah, so pretty sure I was not recording. I just kind of fixed the lighting, so hopefully that's a little bit better. Okay, so as I was saying, this is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. This is something that select members actually got to choose. There were 3 options. So again, I picked the facial scrub, which I really love scrub, so I could always use another one. So this retails for $67, you guys. $67. I would never pay that much. I might. I probably would. Who am I trying to fool? I probably would if it was really good. So I chose this one because I knew I would use it. You could choose, the other options are the same brand, the Grown Alchemist, but there's the Hydro Repair Day Cream, which retails for $49, and then there was the choice of the Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser, which retails for $49. Also, if you didn't get the option to choose, you'll just get one of these 3 items. Excited about that. $69. What a great value. Okay, everybody gets the well-known beauty blender. Like, this is so awesome. This retails for $20. You have to look at that, you guys. This is so well-known. So it's so fun to get some really well-known brands in this box. Like, so awesome. But yeah, this, I don't know if it varies by colors. Yes, colors could vary. I got the standard pink one, which I love. Could always use one. Love it. Who doesn't love that, right? If you don't love it, send it my way because I will use it. Okay, next up, this is exciting. I've never had one of these, and this is something that everyone got to choose for their box. You could either get the Alfred French Roast Coffee Maker or the Alfred Teapot. So the French press retailed for $22. The teapot retailed for $26. It was really cute. I really like tea. And I really like coffee, especially for fall. I mean, I drink coffee all the time, but once it starts to get cooler, I'm all about the tea. But I couldn't pass up this French press. Now, it has instructions, which is awesome because I have no idea how to use a French press, but maybe I should try it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna take it out really quickly just so we can see what it looks like. Oh, so cute. Super fun, but it says, but first coffee. So again, just a very standard French press, but kind of just like a fun item. Something that I wouldn't normally purchase for myself, but it'll be super fun to try. I love that it's a little handle, you can pour it out. So yeah, so fun. Okay. A few more things, you guys. Okay, so next up is the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. Now this was an option that I got to choose as a select member. Also, you could choose from this eye cream, which retails for $38, the Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny, which retailed for $24.99, or the Cusio Somatology Yoga Detox Bath, which retailed for $39.95. So I just knew that out of those 3 things, I would use the eye cream over those other 2 items. Sorry, I'm just trying to open it up, and I actually need an eye cream a night eye cream. And Pharmacy is such a good brand, you guys. I've used a few of their items and love it. So I couldn't, the timing was impeccable because I didn't want to, well, I was gonna buy one, but now I don't have to. Even better. Not too much of a fragrance. Let's see. So I'm really excited. It says, this moisturizing eye cream helps minimize visible signs of aging, stress, and fatigue while reducing the appearance of dark circles. Can I get an amen about that? Because that is exactly what I need. Okay, last thing, and this was a choice that all members got to choose regardless if you were a select member or not, and that was, this is the Vince Camuto Lufto in black or red desert. I chose red desert, and it retails for $128. I love Vince Camuto. I think, oh no, those are Soul Society. I love their shoes. I've never had one of their handbags, but like, it's just this kind of like, it's more of like, it's not like a super like what am I trying to say? It's not a super like structured bag. As you can see, it's really like boxy, but it'd be like so good to like stick your laptop in, and yeah, good work bag if you didn't have a lot. It could be a cute lunch bag. I can definitely see myself using this as more of a, gosh, the lighting. Okay, sorry, the lighting's been a little funky because I don't have my ring light on. But like I work sometimes at coffee shops, like when I need to do a few things, I usually just take my laptop. So this would be a perfect bag to take. It's not overly bulky, and it does have like a little pocket in it. So that's like perfect. The other option was you can get a crown brush set in black and rose gold or in silver, and that retailed for $75. I've got a gazillion makeup brushes, or else I would have gotten it because you guys, that's such a good deal. And crown brushes are good. I mean, I think I've had a few and I really like them. So that's my FabFitFun box for fall, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you didn't mind my disastrous look. It's been a rough week of work. Getting back into the swing of it, the routine, is difficult. If there's any teachers out there, can I get an amen, high five, high 10, anything if you feel me. So I'm trying to get back on schedule with YouTube and work. So again, if you would like $10 off your first FabFitFun box, use the code Fall in Love. You guys, you will not regret it. I'm so already looking forward to the winter box. Like, I feel like they can't come fast enough for me because they're so good and I use the items. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.